Have you ever wondered just how thin a Samsung Galaxy smartphone could get? Samsung has been known for pushing the boundaries of smartphone technology, but when it comes to thickness, the company has mostly stuck with a relatively standard design. While foldable devices like the Galaxy Z Fold series have seen some impressive slimness, traditional smartphones haven't strayed too far from the typical thickness range. But things might be about to change. At the Samsung Unpacked 2025 event, a teaser was dropped about an upcoming device, the Galaxy S25 Edge, that could redefine what it means to have a slim smartphone. Although Samsung hasn't confirmed all the details, rumors are circulating that this phone could be as slim as 6.4 millimeters, setting a new bar for Samsung's design. If that prediction proves true, the Galaxy S25 Edge could be the thinnest flagship Samsung has ever made. But what about the current crop of Galaxy devices? Right now, if you're looking for something thin, there are a few models to consider. For example, the Galaxy Z Fold Special Edition stands out with a thickness of just 4.9 millimeters when unfolded, which is incredibly slim for a foldable. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 and the Galaxy Z Flip 6 also feature impressively thin designs at 5.6 millimeters and 6.9 millimeters, respectively. Among Samsung's standard smartphones, the base Galaxy S25 is one of the slimmest, measuring 7.2 millimeters in thickness, while the Galaxy S25 Plus is slightly thicker at 7.3 millimeters. Last year's Galaxy S24 and S24 Plus models came in at 7.6 millimeters and 7.7 millimeters, respectively. For those on a budget, Galaxy M55, M55s, C55, and F55 all come in at 7.8 millimeters, while the Galaxy S16 and A16 5G are just a bit thicker at 7.9 millimeters. While these devices are among the thinnest on the market, they don't hold the title of the thinnest Samsung smartphone ever made. That record still belongs to the Galaxy A8 from 2015. This device, which is a decade old, measures just 5.9 millimeters thick. Despite its ultra-thin body, the Galaxy A8 still had room for a 3.5 millimeter headphone jack, a feature that's now quite rare in modern smartphones. It also boasted a 3,050 mAh battery, which was impressive at the time. Fast forward to today, and we're looking at smartphones with better battery technology, such as the rumored 3,900 mAh battery in the Galaxy S25 Edge. This shows how far battery technology has come, allowing manufacturers to produce thinner phones without compromising on battery life. The excitement around the Galaxy S25 Edge is more than just about its thinness, though. There's also the question of durability. Samsung has made strides in making its devices more durable over the years, and the challenge with an ultra-thin phone is maintaining that strength. It's one thing to make a phone thinner, but it's another to ensure it can withstand the daily wear and tear that we all put our devices through. That's where the upcoming Galaxy S25 Edge could set a new standard. If Samsung manages to create a phone that's both incredibly thin and highly durable, it could signal a major shift in smartphone design. Looking beyond the S25 Edge, Samsung's focus on slim designs could have a ripple effect across the industry. While foldables have proven that it's possible to create thin devices, could this trend move into more traditional smartphones? The slimness of the Galaxy S25 Edge might be a sign that Samsung is leading the charge toward an era where even non-folding devices could have sleek profiles without compromising on performance. It's certainly an exciting prospect for the future of smartphones. As we await more details on the Galaxy S25 Edge, it's thrilling to think about what's to come. Will this phone set a new record for Samsung's thinnest device, or will it be a one-time experiment? Whatever the outcome, technology enthusiasts are certainly looking forward to what Samsung has planned. And if you're as excited as we are to see the next big thing in smartphone design, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for all the latest updates.
Samsung is about to drop some exciting new smartphones in their A-series lineup, with the Galaxy A56, A30 and A20 rumored to be just around the corner. As these devices near their official release, there's a lot of chatter about what Samsung has in store for us. So what makes these phones stand out, and why should we be paying attention? Let's take a closer look at the details that have everyone talking. First off, the most recent leaks and certifications have given us a sneak peek into what these devices might offer. The Galaxy A56, A30 and A20 have appeared on the TÜV Rheinland certification list, a strong signal that they're nearing an official launch. The most notable feature of these models seems to be the charging speeds. The Galaxy A56 and A30 are expected to support charging speeds of 10 volts and 4.5 amperes, which equals a maximum power output of 45 watts. The Galaxy A26, on the other hand, is expected to support 9 volts and 2.77 amperes, giving it a maximum charging speed of 25 watts. This focus on faster charging shows Samsung's dedication to providing users with a more efficient and convenient experience, which is becoming more essential as we rely on our smartphones more than ever. When it comes to timing, Samsung has a solid track record of releasing its A-series devices around the same time each year. With the Galaxy S25 and A35 being released in March last year, it's likely that the Galaxy S56 and A36 will be revealed soon. Samsung's A-series has always been popular because it offers premium features at a mid-range price, and the new devices are expected to continue that trend. The charging speeds are just one reason these new models have caught the eye of tech enthusiasts. In today's fast-paced world, quick charging is more than just a nice feature. It's practically a must-have. With a 45-watt charging on the Galaxy S56 and A36, users will be able to quickly recharge their devices, ensuring that they can stay connected throughout the day without constantly worrying about battery life. Even the Galaxy S26 with its 25-watt charging offers impressive speed, making it a solid option for budget-conscious buyers who still want fast charging capabilities. But charging speed isn't the only thing to be excited about. We can expect a range of other upgrades, including improved battery life, better camera features, and possibly a sleek new design. Samsung has always been great at balancing performance and affordability, and it looks like these new models will follow that same approach. Whether you're a budget-conscious buyer or someone looking for more premium features, the Galaxy S56, A36, and A26 seem to promise something for everyone. As for the timeline, if the certifications are any indication, we could see an official announcement in the next couple of months. The fact that these devices have appeared on certification lists suggests that Samsung is wrapping up the final stages of preparation, and the launch may be closer than we think. Samsung has a long-standing reputation for delivering great value with its A-series smartphones, and these upcoming devices are shaping up to continue that trend. With faster charging speeds, solid performance, and likely improvements in other areas like battery life and cameras, the Galaxy S56, A36, and A26 are poised to make a big impact in the smartphone market. If you're as excited as we are about these new devices and want to stay up to date with all the latest news, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video. Could the iPhone SE4 be Apple's best budget phone yet? With new images and leaks surfacing recently, this latest iteration of Apple's SE lineup seems poised to impress. The iPhone SE series has always offered an affordable gateway into the iPhone ecosystem, but this time around, it looks like Apple is making sure you don't have to compromise much to enjoy the iOS experience. The most noticeable change with the iPhone SE4 is the shift in design. No longer will users be stuck with the chunky bezels and physical home button that have defined previous SE models. Instead, the SE4 adopts the sleek edge-to-edge display seen on more recent iPhones, like the iPhone 14. Gone is the outdated look, replaced by a modern design that includes the signature notch for the front camera. It's a look of update, ensuring that budget-conscious users don't miss out on the trendy aesthetics of newer iPhone models. When it comes to the camera, Apple has decided to keep things simple with a single rear lens. While this might seem like a step back compared to other iPhones that offer